Welcome to Digital Marketing Mastery in 5 minutes. Are you a website owner desperately trying to drive traffic and generate sales? Look no further. In this video, we will unveil the secrets of digital marketing and teach you the core essentials to successfully promote your online business. So, grab a pen and paper, sit back, and let's dive right in. Before diving into any marketing strategy, market research is essential. Understanding your target audience, competitors, and market trends allows you to make informed decisions and create effective marketing campaigns that resonate with your potential customers. Let's take a closer look at the key steps involved in market research. Define your target audience. Identifying your target audience is crucial. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographic characteristics, interests, and pain points? By understanding their needs and desires, you can tailor your marketing messages specifically to them, increasing your chances of capturing their attention and driving conversions. Analyze competitors. Analyzing your competitors enables you to identify their strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to differentiate yourself in the market. What strategies are they using? How are they positioning their brand? By conducting a competitor analysis, you can gain valuable insights and develop a unique selling proposition that sets you apart from the crowd. Research market trends. Keeping up with the latest market trends is essential to stay ahead of the game. What are the emerging technologies, industry developments, and consumer preferences? By staying informed, you can adapt your marketing strategies accordingly and ensure your business remains relevant and competitive. Copywriting. Now that you have a clear understanding of your target audience, it's time to focus on the art of persuasive writing. Copywriting plays a pivotal role in convincing your potential customers to take action. Let's dive into the key elements of effective copywriting. Compelling headlines. The headline is the first impression that grabs the attention of your audience. It should be catchy, intriguing, and communicate the value proposition of your offering. By crafting compelling headlines, you can entice readers to continue reading and engage with your content. Engaging content. The body of your content should be engaging and compelling. Understand your audience's pain points and desires, and address them directly. Use storytelling techniques, provide valuable information, and demonstrate how your product or service can solve their problems and improve their lives. Call to action. A strong call to action is crucial to prompt your audience to take the desired action. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or filling out a contact form, make your CTA clear, concise, and compelling. The easier it is for your audience to take action, the higher the chances of conversion. Email marketing. Email marketing has stood the test of time as one of the most effective digital marketing strategies. Let's explore the key steps to build a successful email marketing campaign. Building an email list. Growing a substantial email list is essential for successful email marketing. Offer valuable content, incentives, or lead magnets to entice visitors to subscribe to your newsletter. Implement opt-in forms strategically throughout your website to maximize conversions. Segmentation and personalization. Voiceover. Segmenting your email list based on demographics, interests, and previous interactions allows you to personalize your messaging. Sending targeted and relevant content to specific segments increases engagement, open rates, and ultimately, conversions. High-quality email campaigns. Voiceover. Craft well-designed, personalized email campaigns that provide value to your subscribers. Whether it's sharing educational content, exclusive offers, or personalized recommendations, focus on delivering quality content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to take action. Search engine optimization, SEO. Finally, let's unveil the power of search engine optimization, SEO, to enhance your online visibility and drive organic traffic to your website. Keyword research. Thorough keyword research helps you understand what terms your potential customers are using to search for products or services similar to yours. Identifying relevant keywords and incorporating them naturally into your website's content can boost your ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. On-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing various elements on your website to make it more search engine friendly. This includes optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, heading tags, and ensuring your content provides value and relevancy to users and search engines alike. Building quality backlinks. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites is crucial for your website's authority and rankings. Seek opportunities to guest post, collaborate with influencers, or create shareable content that naturally attracts backlinks. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Outro. Congratulations! You've just embarked on a whirlwind journey to master the art of digital marketing in just 5 minutes. By understanding market research, harnessing the power of copywriting, utilizing email marketing, and employing SEO tactics, now equipped with the essential tools to drive traffic and boost sales. So go ahead, implement these strategies, and watch your online business flourish.